Hello darlings, it's officially fall here, and to celebrate the fall, I've created this look using the recently launched Urban Decay Honey Palette. Let me know in the comments below what do you think of this look. It's available for $49 online and in stores. I've started with a concealer to even out the eyelids and help the color show. I'm also going to set it with powder. I'm going to start with defining the crease with the shade Swarm. Now I deepen the crease using the shade Keeper. I use a small blending brush for that. I'm also using it in the outer corners. I'm going to use shade Queen in the outer corner and form a nice V. And now I'm going to pack more color using shade Sting to get more intensity. I'm going to pull it inwards also in the crease and blend it together. I'm going to blend the eyeshadow using HBIC shade from the same palette. Under the brow, I'm using shade Flyby and blending it again. Now doing a cut crease with the same concealer and setting powder. Now I'm going to use shade Golden and Honey combined on top of this using my fingers and a brush to get more color payoff. I'm going to blend it on the outside. And I'm going to deepen the shade on the outer corner again using the shade Sting again and blend it one more time. On the inner corner, I'm using shade Honey. And on the lower lash line, I do a combination of Hive and Drip and blend it all together again. Now it's time for the eyeliner. Using the new Huda Beauty Life Liner, I've created a winged eyeliner. Since our focus is on the eyeshadow palette, I've done the eyeliner off camera. Now I'm going to add some mascara on the upper and lower lashes. I've completed the look using my usual foundation, bronzer, and some brown toned lipstick to go with this fall look. This is a perfect look for dinner with friends, events, or also in the pumpkin patch. Like and share the video and subscribe to my channel Makeup Simplified if you haven't already.